All right, everyone, this is sandwich.
I've never seen something quite like this before. What is the square concoction you deem edible?
Like I said when we ordered, Zarp, that's a sandwich.
It's fascinating, Melvin. Earth is such a peculiar planet. I can't wait to explore it with you. Why even eat something so strange looking?
First off, that sandwich is honestly one of the best looking sandwiches I've ever seen. Secondly, because it will give you energy. And thirdly, because it is delicious. I mean, come on, Zarp, don't you trust me?
On my planet, we do not eat sandwiches. We simply consume garlobogoids when famished.
What in the world is a garlobogoid? I can tell you for certain that we do not have any food on Earth called a garlobogoid. I just love learning more about you.
A garlobogoid is a cylindrical gray substance that provides apt nutrients for everyone on our planet.
Okay, but what does it taste like? Where does it grow? What does your planet even look like?
The garlobogoid is void of whatever this thing you call taste is.
Oh, wait. So what you're telling me is you have never tasted food before? Oh gosh, if I had known that, I would never have gotten you something much tastier than a regular old sandwich.
Are you meaning to tell me, Melvin, that this sandwich is inadequate and you still expect me to eat it?
No. Of course not. The sandwich is delightfully delicious, but there are some other foods that you may think are more delicious. I just want to make you happy.
So should I or should I not consume this sandwich, Melvin?
That sandwich is a perfectly satisfactory first food. I think. You should eat it, Zarp. You must be starving too. You haven't eaten anything since you landed last night. Please tell me what you think about it. Think of it. Oh boy, do you like it? How does it taste? Oh, I just knew you would like it. And I was thinking maybe if we had the chance, I could come visit your planet to try a garlobogoid. Zarp, are you choking? Is the sandwich in your throat? Oh God. It wasn't supposed to go like this. Oh God. You have to chew your food, Zarp.
What did you do to that sandwich, Melvin?
What do you mean? We ordered the sandwich from the restaurant. I don't know. I didn't make it.
And to think I was foolish enough to even begin to trust you. Sandwich? Ha, right. You're just like the rest of them.
Zarp, I don't know what you're talking about. You gotta believe me. I didn't put anything in your sandwich.
And to think, you clearly know more than you let on, Melvin. When did you figure it out? Or are you a spy or something like that was sent to collect me? Were you planning on poisoning me this whole time, or were you going to wait until I brought you back home and kill my family too?
Spy? Kill your family? No, I didn't poison it. I didn't do anything. I don't even know what you're talking about. It just got stuck in your throat. That's all. You didn't chew it. I promise I would never do anything to hurt you. You're the best thing that has ever come into my life, and I just want you back.
I'm not gonna fall for that again. I thought I got out. I thought there was no way for them to find me. Yet you and your sandwich came along all innocent. I knew they'd try to stop me, but not this time.
And scene.